Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Stay frosty. Okay. Oh, no. Oh, goddamn. Now. Go. Don't get zapped. Don't get zapped.
In the arms of the angel.
I literally stood up into it. Why would I stand up into that? Oh, what? What are the chances? Oh, really?
Who can say where the road goes?
No! Oh. Bye-bye.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
Oh, he was not expecting that. Poor guy. Oh, this is like skill. Woo.
Spin move!
Oh! Sorry. Don't panic, everyone. Oh no! No one saw that. Spin!
Hey, I'm Tony Hawk.
Oh no! Dance. Hello. Oh! Boom!
Parkour!
Oh god. He saw me. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Oh no! Quick!
I got you now, SpongeBob!
That was close. Oh! Wrong way. Ah, you thought you had me then.
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
So you get... Come on, really? It was literally like, boom!
Surprise, motherfucker!
Oh! Oh, there we go. We're fine. Don't clip that.